Say what's up, Frank. Guys, it's Frank.
What's up? We getting
Frank. Guys.
Guys? How many guys are out there?
Or guys and girls.
Guys and oh shit, you right. Hand off right quick so you can do. Have you done an intro yet?
No.
Oh fuck! This is pre-intro right here.
I know, right? So basically, I'm going to continue this from the Auburndale video, which is ratchet strap drifting. But as you guys know, or you may have heard, probably heard, I came in contact with the wall. This looked a lot worse, but since Sunday, I was hammering away the other day, and I got most of this banged back out to. I was gonna say factory spec, but it's not.
That is not factory at all.
But it's close.
I mean, look at that.
I mean, it's close. I just gotta like bend this out a little bit more, and the headlight assembly should be back to normal. And I already got the fender pretty much the best I can. If you want to come over here and take a look.
Oh gosh, this garage door.
I know, my bad.
It's good, it's good.
My HOA's been giving me crap about noise.
Ooh, ooh,
So
ooh, oh god, that blank face. Okay.
And then the bumper, I got it ready for surgery, whatever, stitching, whatever you want to call it, Frankenstein. I drilled all my holes and I'm gonna stitch it up just like I did the other side.
Drift stitching, bro.
Yep. And then I'm still surprised this bumper is in one piece.
Especially since it's fiberglass, right?
Like, I didn't have to go through all this, but I wanted to, because I could keep it up with one here, but why not? Drift car. But
and drift stitches, bro.
I figured when that bumper gets completely disintegrated, I'll get a KBD. So, Irving, get ready. I'm gonna get KBD for you.
Ooh. Did you call somebody out right quick?
Oh, that's, yeah, Irving Ramirez. He's the creator or owner of KBD body kits.
Okay.
Out in California. Like, my dad knows him.
Oh shit.
So, oh, and this side, this fan!
Okay, we'll do this. Alright.
As you can see, I'm getting ready to do some sledgehammering. But, if you can see over here, where the rear quarter panel, or rear end, needs to be, right here.
Oh yeah,
It's
true.
all the way over here.
Look at that right there.
I love how the fiberglass is like, yeah, I'm just gonna stay. So we're about to bang that out. I got special guest Frank as the camera guy today. Thank you, Frank.
Hey, you're welcome.
We're supposed to be doing schoolwork. Well, he's supposed to be doing schoolwork. I did my schoolwork in class. And I need to replace my tension rods. Don't let me forget. Oh man, I need to go there tomorrow. Yeah, some good things happening. Aside from this. But it's all good, it's a drift car, and we're gonna get going on banging this out, so let's get to it. Basically, I don't really know how to teach you guys how to bang it out, but I think the right way would be with the right tools, but I figured, or what I've used in the past is this dead blow from Harbor Freight, and it's worked pretty good, so I'm gonna use it again. And I guess I'm just gonna hammer it away. Maybe use some wood over here where you need to get some corner smashing in. I don't know if that's the right word.
I'm pretty sure that's the right term.
Corner smashing?
Corner smashing, yeah.
Isn't that what I did with the wall? Silence. But yeah, I'm kind of just gonna hammer away.
Hamburgers?
Did I say hamburgers? I did say hamburgers. I'm gonna hamburger away. So it's probably gonna look like I'm demolishing a house, but I'm not. I'm trying to do the opposite. And we'll see what happens. Drift life.
Drift life.
See how good this will work. Hopefully the hood doesn't fall on me because that would suck.
I don't think it will.
You think it will?
I don't think it will.
Frank?
I said I don't.
Frank?
We can look back at the film.
I'll be hurt by then.
Well on it, bro. Did anything happen?
I don't know, it's sketchy. Whatever. I'm like clenching my cheeks right now. Don't fuck this trunk is heavy.
I mean, it's a big piece of glass metal. This is what the factory recommends to fix blows and bangs. By the way,
yeah, it clearly states it in the 1990 240SX service information on all that. Oh man, that didn't do anything.
Except straighten out that thing right there. I didn't push out anything.
Did it straighten it? I don't think it did.
I don't fucking know. I haven't seen it. Oh shit.
Oh crap.
I think you just caused another dent. No, honestly, bro. Let me come.
This one right here?
Yeah. Let me come around real quick.
It's supposed to be straight though, so it's alright. Man, I really did it with this one.
Did you know? This corner, you can
Dude,
you can just look at the fiberglass and see like that was
where it needs to be and where it is.
not even that, but just that was a hard smack. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, it was crazy.
How?
I don't know. I still can't really explain what happened. It's probably just my sucky driving.
Hell no! We know why it happened. It's ratchet straps.
That was before. So the tension rod was just. Yeah. Pretty much exactly.
Ingenuity.
This is sketching me out. I feel like it's better right here.
How many cuts do you usually actually place in your videos?
I don't know. It depends. Because sometimes I'll get distracted when I'm speaking, and so I'll be like, so I'll cut the long pause out. But I don't know. It really depends. This is proving to be more difficult than I expected.
This wall tap was a little bit more
Yeah. It was more
intense. Yeah.
The front was surprisingly easy to fix.
That's good.
But this is getting hard. Maybe I need a better hammer.
A better hammer? Or a bigger one?
A bigger one. A bigger and better hammer. I'm gonna try this again. Maybe with the wood will help. More sauce.
Hey, don't fuck up the hatch now.
Did that do anything?
Not really, no. You really did it with this one. Let me see. No.
Quick, please changes the subject. By the way, this is the position you need to be in when you start hammering things.
That exact. Oh wait, hold up. Look at his leg placement. Alright, but
anyway.
You see that corner right there?
Which one?
That right there.
Oh.
Compare that to the other side. You folded that in. That's what happened there.
Thank you for the observation.
I think that's what happened. So I mean, your real damage is there. But the thing is, it's folded in. You can't just bang that out, you know what I'm saying?
So what do you think?
We're not slicing this up, so. Let's see. Maybe, yeah. Technique. Hey, watch yourself.
Did I hit it with the hammer?
Nah.
What the heck was that?
Your elbow. Or did you not feel it? Or did that move?
No, I think it moved. Alright, hold on. I got some. Stop it. Alright, let's see. Long stick. Ouch.
Be careful. Hey, yo. How much you want for them tires?
Which one, dog?
The ones right next to you, dog.
These?
Yeah.
I don't know.
$250 a piece?
$5.50. Alright, so I'm gonna try and prop up the hatch with this shop broom. Oh, sweet.
Does it have
I
the
think
broom?
this'll work.
Does it have the broom end on it too? Oh sh!
It does. The voice.
How do you usually do the time lapse? You just take it and then.
And then you fast forward it and kill all sound.
Gotcha.
And then put music overlay. doesn't know about editing, but using big editing terms. Alright, so update guys. We're gonna take off this
Trim piece.
trim piece. I was wondering what that sound was. I forgot the key in here. We're gonna take this back trim piece. It sits under the rear 240 lights. And so we pretty much know where we need to bang it out to, because if you look and follow this line in here, you can see that it kind of swoops this way, but it's like a straight swoop, if that makes sense. So
It's a curve, but it's more straight than curve.
exactly. Straight curve swoop. Curve. Straight. So we're gonna take that take that trim piece off, and then it's just gonna allow for my retarded hammering skills not to bang a stud and jack it up. So the last things I jack up is that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Come on. Did you do that before?
No, I did. As soon as you said something, I was like,
That's awesome. Holy Kazuki.
Nani?
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 貴様の拳などかほどにも効かんわい。お前はもう死んでいる。何？
He took off a nut.
Ouch. Hit my head. That's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8mm nuts. And
8mm. So
and your
if I
trim piece is off. Fan on.
Yo, is this to hold on your bumper?
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Jason! Now viewers, yeah, Jason just had a freak out moment. Why you freak out, bro? I have no clue what to explain.
I don't know how long this has been like this, or maybe from the wall, but I don't see how the wall impact would knock that loose.
That's a great way of putting it. Never like actually saying anything, but
Hopefully that's what knocked it loose. If not, I've been driving around with this return
loose.
like that. Loose. Yeah, F it.
I'll wash my hands right quick.
Frank is leaving us.
No!
Bye, Frank.
I love you.
I love you too.
I have to come back here to pick up my stuff anyways.
No, you don't.
What?
So, I am going to have to continue the rest of this tomorrow night because I have a little bit of homework to get done. I'm going to show you guys the progress so far. As you can see from before, it's a huge improvement. It's almost back to normal. I mean, not fully back to normal, but as normal as it's going to be. If I can just get it like an inch further out, that'd be perfect. So I'm gonna work on it tomorrow when I get back home from school. I also got my battery box remounted behind the passenger seat. So now I won't have the battery over here next to the fuel cell until I fabricate a custom box that will go inside right here. So I will see you guys tomorrow and have a good night. Don't do anything too crazy, and we'll resume like I said tomorrow. So good night, guys. Peace.